Well, hello again. It's been a long time between drinks. I'm actually back down in Katherine now at the moment. I had 2 weeks off the bike in Darwin, and then I got a lift back down to Katherine from Michael from the hostel. You're a legend. Appreciate that. It's just that road. That road's pretty dangerous. It's 130 open speed limit. People are swinging by at 140, 150. And a lot of the time there's no shoulder, so I didn't really see the point in riding the exact same route again, and it is the only road between Katherine and Darwin. So I'm back here, want to do a bit of a sort of review video, and we'll go through the plastics that I used as well. So this is the plastic that I generated, which I think is pretty good. We're basically just looking at those bread bags, the bag of potatoes that I got from Ben and Blue, more bread, and then in this one as well we've got the John West spoon. Thanks, John West. And we've just got a bit of plastic from a new water bottle that I had to buy, which I'm still using, battery packs, and some Lipsil containers. Got a couple more stuff as well. Got a bit lazy towards the end when I was cycling with the two guys, Ant and Sean, and I bought them a bag of lollies. Didn't have to, but what can you do? And then essentially we've just got more bread, some little bits of plastic just again off these water bottles. And then in that, I've also got sunscreen. I bought that probably 2 years ago. So to me, there's no point in buying some plastic-free sunscreen, which you can get. Yeah, finish that now, and then Ant actually gave me some more sunscreen, so I'll be using that on the next leg. I think with food, it's actually quite simple. It's just a case of being organized and being able to cook it. Flour and potatoes were pretty key, and then obviously it's just getting carbs on the road. Now if I had a different stove to this little wood stove, then I probably would have been happier to pull up on the side of the road and just quickly boil some rice or some quinoa and stuff like that. This, however, it just takes too long, and so I've actually upgraded this now, and I've picked up an MSR Whisper Light, and that I can use petrol in it. So just standard unleaded petrol. So I'll be using that for the rest of the trip. We've also got the toiletries, most important, obviously a toothbrush and this toothpaste. Kathy's sent me some more. I finished that charcoal toothpaste, and I've tried this a couple of times. It's actually pretty good. Check out the website below if you're interested in a link for that. And then Kathy's also sent me some toothpaste tablets. Now these weigh a hell of a lot less than the glass jar, so I'm pretty keen to try these out. They're pretty good, pretty lightweight, and ideally this is the product you want to be taking if you're on a plastic-free adventure. I've also grown a mow. Can you see that? See my mow? I reckon I'm going to get the sideburns going, the mutton chops as well. We'll see. When I was riding up as well, one of the most infuriating things was I kept getting all these old caravanners coming up to me and saying, yeah, what you're doing is cool, but you're not as cool as the Camelman. And the Camelman made this bike from scratch. Basically went to the scrapyard, and it's 90% recycled materials, and he built this bike and he attached a big sort of toy camel to it, and he cycled from Uluru all the way up to Darwin. And when I was in Darwin, we were at these awesome night markets, these beach sunset markets in Mindle Beach, and I just happened to see him. So I went over and I had a chat. I spent the next couple of days just hanging out with him. So if you want to check his stuff out, it's the Ratbag Nomads. He's got a few things on YouTube and Facebook as well. Is the main way you can follow him. But yeah, Cats, you're a legend. Really enjoyed spending my time with you. Got some footage here, which I'll show as well. But yeah, overall, it's been a really good experience coming up this way. Never seen this part of the world before, so it's been a really good experience. From now to Broome, I won't be 100% plastic free. but I've got another few things I want to try, mostly with sort of recycling things that I find on the side of the road. We'll get stuck into that as well. But yeah, stay tuned. Big reveals coming probably in the next video, so stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. See you soon.